and welcome back to Speak Simple English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Kevin. It's so good to be here with you today. How are you feeling today, Ashley?
I'm feeling good. A little thoughtful today.
Thoughtful? That sounds serious.
Not too serious. I was just thinking about dreams.
Oh, big dreams?
Yes, big dreams. And small dreams, too.
That's a beautiful topic.
I think so, too. Today we're talking about dreams and goals in English.
I love this topic because everyone has dreams,
Yes, and everyone has goals,
even if they are small.
especially if they are small.
Before we start, let me ask you something.
Okay?
When you hear the word dream, what do you think about?
I think about something I want in the future, something that makes me excited.
I like that.
What about you?
I think about possibility, something that feels far away but may be possible.
That's nice.
Let's explain this simply.
Good idea.
A dream is something you want in your future.
It can be a job.
It can be a lifestyle.
It can be a skill.
It can even be learning English fluently.
Yes, that is a dream for many people.
And what is a goal?
A goal is a step.
Yes, a goal is something you work on,
So maybe your dream is to speak English confidently.
and your goal is to practice 10 minutes every day.
That's a perfect example.
Ashley, can I ask you something personal?
Of course.
What was your dream when you were younger?
When I was a child, I wanted to be a teacher.
Really?
Yes, I liked helping people understand things.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Did that dream change?
A little, but I still love teaching.
So, in a way, your dream stayed with you.
Yes, it just changed shape.
I like that idea. Dreams can change shape.
They grow with us. What about you? What was your childhood dream?
Okay, this is funny.
I'm ready.
I wanted to be a professional basketball player.
Really?
Yes,
How tall are you again?
not tall enough. I practiced every day. I loved it.
What happened?
I realized I enjoyed playing, but I didn't want the pressure.
That's honest.
So my dream changed.
And that's okay.
Yes, not all dreams stay forever.
Let's teach some useful phrases.
Good idea.
You can say, I have a dream.
You can say, my dream is to.
You can say, I want to.
You can say, I hope to.
These are simple and powerful.
Yes, very useful in conversation.
For example, my dream is to travel the world.
My dream is to start my own business.
I hope to learn 3 languages.
Easy structure.
Just use to plus verb.
Sometimes dreams feel scary.
Yes, big dreams can feel scary
Why do you think that is?
because dreams mean change.
And change is uncomfortable.
Exactly.
Have you ever been afraid to say your dream out loud?
Yes, when I was younger, I was afraid people would laugh.
That's very real.
But I learned something important.
What?
It's okay if not everyone understands your dream.
That's powerful.
Let's talk about goals now.
Yes, goals are practical.
If your dream is big, your goals are small steps.
Like building a staircase.
Exactly.
For example, if your dream is to run a marathon,
Your first goal is to run 1 mile,
then 2 miles.
then 5 miles.
Small progress.
Big result.
Do you set daily goals?
Sometimes,
What kind?
small things like reading 10 pages or practicing English for 15 minutes.
That's realistic.
Yes, I don't like impossible goals.
Same here. If the goal is too big, I feel stressed.
And then you quit.
Exactly.
If you are listening right now, think about your dream.
Yes, just think quietly.
What do you want in your future?
What makes you excited?
It doesn't have to be huge.
It can be simple.
Maybe your dream is to speak English in a job interview.
Maybe your dream is to travel alone.
Whatever it is, it matters.
Your dream matters. All right, so we talked about dreams and small goals,
Yes, and how dreams can change over time.
and how small steps are important.
But let's talk about something real.
What?
Doubt.
Oh, that's important.
Yes, because when you have a dream, you also have doubt.
Have you ever doubted yourself?
Many times.
Me too.
Sometimes I think, what if I'm not good enough?
Yes, I've had that thought too.
Especially when the dream feels big.
Big dreams can make you feel small.
That's true.
When I wanted to change my career, I felt scared.
What were you afraid of?
I was afraid of failing.
That's a very common fear.
Yes, nobody likes failure.
But failure is part of the process.
I agree.
When I tried something new and failed, I felt bad at first.
Of course.
But later, I realized I learned something.
What did you learn?
That mistakes are teachers.
I like that. Mistakes are teachers.
Yes, they show us what to improve.
Let's teach some useful phrases.
Good idea. You can say, I'm afraid of failing.
You can say, I'm scared to try.
You can say, I made a mistake.
You can say, I learned from it.
These are simple sentences.
Yes, but very honest.
Another problem is comparison.
Yes, comparing yourself to other people.
Social media makes this worse.
It really does.
You see someone successful?
And you think, I'm behind.
Have you ever felt behind in life?
Paused and thinks for a moment. Yes.
Me too.
Sometimes I look at people my age and think they're so successful.
And then you feel pressure.
Exactly.
But we don't see the full story.
That's true. We only see the highlight,
Not the hard work.
not the struggle.
Everyone has their own timeline.
That's important to remember.
Let's practice simple sentences about comparison. I feel behind.
I compare myself to others.
I need to focus on my own path.
I need to focus on my own path.
These are powerful thoughts.
Yes, and good English practice. So, how do you stay motivated?
Good question.
When you feel tired or discouraged, what helps you?
I remember why I started.
That's strong.
Yes, I ask myself, why is this dream important to me?
That brings clarity.
What about you?
I break my dream into very small steps.
Like what?
If my goal feels too big, I make it smaller.
Give an example.
Okay, if I want to improve my speaking skills,
Yes?
I don't say I will be fluent in 1 month.
That's unrealistic.
Exactly. Instead, I say, today I will practice for 10 minutes.
That's smart.
Small action.
Big consistency.
Some people think they are too old for their dreams.
Yes, I've heard that before.
I'm too old to change my life.
But that's not true.
I know someone who started studying English at 50.
That's amazing.
Now she speaks confidently.
That's inspiring.
Let's say this clearly. It's never too late.
You can start today. Age does not stop growth.
Only fear does. There are 2 types of goals.
Yes, short-term and long-term.
A short-term goal is something you can do soon.
Like finishing a book this month.
A long-term goal is something bigger.
Like starting your own company.
Both are important.
And they work together.
For English learners, a short-term goal might be learn 10 new words this week.
And a long-term goal might be speak English confidently in 1 year.
See how they connect?
Yes, small now, big later.
Earlier, we said dreams can change shape.
Yes, I really like that idea.
Sometimes we outgrow old dreams.
And that's not failure.
It's growth.
Exactly.
Have you ever changed a dream completely?
Yes, I once thought I wanted a very busy career.
And now,
Now I want balance.
that's maturity.
Maybe. Or maybe I just like sleeping more.
That's honest.
If you are listening, ask yourself,
What is one small goal you can do today?
not tomorrow, today.
Maybe it's practicing English for 5 minutes.
Maybe it's writing down your dream.
You don't need to do everything.
Just one thing.
One step is better than no step.
Always. All right, we're back for the final part of today's conversation.
Yes, and this has been such a meaningful topic.
It really has.
We talked about dreams,
We talked about goals,
doubt,
fear,
comparison,
and motivation.
but now I want to ask you something important.
Okay,
What does success mean to you?
that's a deep question.
Take your time.
For me, success means peace.
Peace.
Yes, feeling calm about my life, feeling proud of my effort.
That's beautiful. What about you? Success means growth.
Growth?
Yes, becoming better than I was yesterday.
I like that. It's not about being better than other people.
Exactly, just better than your past self.
Sometimes people chase dreams that don't make them happy.
That's true.
They follow what society says is successful.
Big money, big house, big title.
But happiness is personal.
Very personal.
My dream now is simple.
What is it?
To live a balanced life. To have time for work and time for rest.
That's wise. What about you? My dream is to keep learning.
I love that.
Learning keeps life interesting.
That's true.
Let's give our listeners something practical.
Yes, a small exercise.
Take a piece of paper.
Or your phone.
Write one sentence. My dream is to.
Keep it simple.
Don't make it perfect.
Then write one small goal.
Something you can do this week.
For example, my dream is to speak English confidently.
My goal this week is to practice 15 minutes every day.
That's clear.
That's realistic.
Kevin, do you think everyone can achieve their dreams?
That's a big question.
It is.
I think everyone can move closer to their dreams.
I agree.
Maybe not everything happens exactly as we imagine.
But growth always happens when we try,
Yes, trying changes us.
even if the result is different.
I like that idea.
Me too.
Another important thing is patience.
Yes, dreams take time.
We live in a fast world,
Everyone wants quick results.
but real growth is slow.
And that's okay.
When I was younger, I wanted everything immediately.
Same here.
Now I understand that slow progress is still progress.
That's an important lesson.
Let's teach this sentence. Slow progress is still progress.
That's a powerful sentence.
And easy to remember.
Yes.
If someone asks you, what are your dreams?
You can answer, my dream is to.
If they ask, what are your goals?
You can say, my goal is to.
Very simple structure.
Very useful in job interviews too.
Yes, interviewers often ask about goals.
So this is practical English.
Before we finish, I want to say something directly to our listeners.
Me too.
If you have a dream, don't ignore it,
Even if it feels small.
even if it feels scary.
Even if other people don't understand.
Your dream belongs to you.
Not to anyone else.
And remember, goals are steps.
Small steps every day.
You don't need to change your whole life today.
Just take one action.
One small action can start something big.
And that's how confidence grows.
Kevin, this was such a meaningful conversation.
It really was. I enjoyed it.
I hope our listeners feel inspired.
And encouraged.
If you're listening right now, tell us in the comments.
What is one dream you have?
And what is one small goal you will start this week?
We would love to hear from you.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep learning, keep growing.
And keep speaking simple English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.